100th TV mount of the day.
1 millionth TV mount.
We're going to be doing the Samsung 8000 series, the NU800D, up on a wall here in Frisco. Got the user manual here. Can you believe they come with the user manuals nowadays? And then a remote. You got spacers, power cord, the batteries, which are included. Wow. You also have the stand if you're gonna put it on a tabletop. Grayson's gonna be getting that mount on the back of the TV.
Indeed, I am.
This thing here, base model, but perfect for a bedroom.
We keep them base models.
Yes. Yes, sir. And we're gonna be mounting it right here on the wall. And in this situation, we're gonna have to wire the room. We're gonna move this outlet up the wall, as well as the coax for the DirecTV. And I'm just gonna be using a little DirecTV mini genie with the smart features. And that'll be it. I'll upload the video after we complete the work. Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia. So we just finished up this TV mount of the Samsung 8000. Looks beautiful. If you guys would like to have your TV mounted or purchase a TV in the Dallas area, make sure you give us a call. With the purchase of a TV, we will discount our labor by 10%, and we do price match all of our competitors. We also ship these products nationwide. If you have questions or would like to schedule, just give us a call. Don't forget to subscribe below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.